Okay guys, so this is my oatmeal that you just saw me put together, and I just have a whole frozen banana in here, and this is the rest of it. Eric says he wants oatmeal, so he's gonna have some oatmeal, and I'm just going to see if I can do this with one hand. And I'm just gonna put some blueberries on it, frozen blueberries, like that. Frozen blueberries for baby boy, and then I'm going to dust on some cinnamon and drizzle some on. All right, and I'm gonna have that and some broccoli for breakfast. Day one of the starch solution. Yum. Hello and welcome to my first day on Dr. John McDougall's starch solution. So as you just saw, I did oatmeal and broccoli for breakfast. I just finished that and I am super full. I'm like really full. I feel like I'll be full for a long time. If I do get hungry or something, I'll let y'all know. But yeah, I'm just relaxing today. We just finished filming our weekend vlog that I am editing today, and yeah, in that vlog y'all see me meal prep some of the food I'm gonna be eating this week, so check that vlog out if you haven't to see me meal prep the farro casserole you'll see me eat later on today for either lunch or dinner. So yeah, I'm feeling okay. I don't feel hungry obviously, so we'll just see how it goes. Hey guys, so it's about 1:30 and I'm getting a little bit hungry, so I'm gonna have a quick snack. I have this Oro wheat, let's see if it'll show y'all, Oro wheat organic bread, and it is plant-based. I'm gonna have some of this and some roasted red pepper hummus. This is not oil free. I know I can get an oil free. Of course Keith is doing stuff up front even though we said we weren't gonna work on the house, but this does have some canola oil in it. I will get an oil free one for next week, but that's what I had in the fridge already. I'm gonna have that with some salad greens on top, and that'll be my snack. And Eric wants watermelon, so we'll handle that. Just wanted to show y'all the finished product. If y'all hear Blaze in the background, my TV is always on Nick Jr. But yeah, so just some hummus toast with some greens on top. Hi guys, so it is technically dinner time. We didn't really have a lunch per se. Right now, Keith is outside grilling corn and to go with his leftovers from yesterday, and when the corn comes in, I'm just gonna squeeze some lemon over the top, maybe a sprinkling of chili powder or something, give it that little smoky taste, and I'll have that along with the farro casserole that I made yesterday. But what I want to show y'all is a dressing that Plentiful Kiki uses, and I'm gonna duplicate it because, you know, I'm new to this whole starch solution vegan journey. So I have some classic Dijon mustard in a mason jar, and then I'm just gonna pour equal parts maple syrup on top, and then close it up. And this is the maple syrup I'm using. This is just from Sam's. It's 100% organic maple syrup. Close it up and shake it up. Okay, and there we go. dressing. It's not a lot. I might make a little bit more so that I'll have it for the week. But this is the salad I'm having. It's really simple. I don't even have any tomatoes or anything. It's literally just some spring mix and some cucumber. So yeah, I'm gonna have that next to my farro casserole, which will be my starch, as well as an ear of corn or so. And I'll make the whole plate and then I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is my dinner lunch combination. This salad with this dressing, oh my gosh, this dressing is so good. I'm probably gonna eat another whole bowl of salad for sure. But that's the farro casserole. It's not that big of a portion. I just have it smashed down so that I could warm it up. And then an ear of corn with just some squeezed lemon juice on it. Hi guys. So I just wanted to come and sit down and talk to y'all and tell y'all how I'm feeling. We ate dinner a couple hours ago. I'm still not hungry. I probably will be laying down pretty soon, so I'm gonna wash my face and pull my hair back and take a shower, all that fun stuff. But I wanted to come and sit down and talk with y'all because I said I was gonna sit down and let y'all know how I'm feeling. I'm not hungry. That's something that's very evident when I sit down for my meals. I'm noticing that I am very satisfied when I get up, and I'm pretty sure it's due to the starches and the fact that I've had VSG in my stomach. Is my actual stomach pouch is smaller than the average person as well. So yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of food meal prepped because weekdays are very busy for me, especially weekday mornings. I wanted to make granola today, but we're having an issue with our sensor on our stove. So Keith is trying to fix that, so I won't be making granola today. So tomorrow for breakfast, I'm not sure what I'll be having. It may be potatoes and veggies. I'm not sure. It may be oatmeal. I'm not sure. I wanted it to be granola with soy milk, but and some fruit, but I'm not sure. Tomorrow morning, I will show y'all me packing my breakfast and lunch to eat at work. And so yeah, I feel great. There really isn't much to update you on right now because I just started. So if you started the Starch solution with me, leave your comments down below and let me know how you're feeling today. It is Memorial Day, you know, so normally we'll be having our various grilled meats, and that's not happening today. Anywho, really tired because I've edited like 3 videos in 2 days. But I'm gonna edit this video because I promise you guys, and I keep my promises, and then have it set to go up tomorrow about 9 o'clock. And yeah, great day, really great day. Probably lay in bed after I get done and watch some John Wayne movies. I don't foresee myself eating any more today, and if I do, it'll be some frozen fruit that I have in the freezer. I have some frozen berries, some frozen cherries, some frozen pineapple for smoothies and things, but probably won't eat anything. Anyway, talk to you guys tomorrow.